Welcome to DXT School. Today's lesson is about reading. An exciting letter. The Paris Olympics. Dear Anna, how are you? I have exciting news. The big event is coming very soon. It is the Paris Olympics 2024. The Olympic Games will be in Paris, France. Many athletes will come from different countries. They will run fast on the track. They will swim in the pool. Some will jump high, and others will cycle quickly. They all train very hard every day. Everyone wants to win a gold medal. A medal is a special prize for the best athlete. The opening ceremony will be a huge show in Paris. People from all over the world will watch on TV. It is a time for friendly competition in sports. I want to watch the running races and the swimming games. It will be great fun to see all the athletes. I hope you can watch some games too. Best, Maria. Now let's move to the quiz. Listen carefully. What big event is coming soon? A. A party in Paris. B. The Paris Olympics 2024. C. A new movie. D. A school trip. So, what's your answer? Comment A, B, C or D below. The correct answer is in the pinned comment. If you